Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelSheet. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. So let's begin the video. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to sort by date. Now, select the whole area which you want to sort, including header. Once we have selected the area, we go to the Data tab and click on Sort. A pop-up window appears where we can set necessary details. Here we want to sort by date of birth, so we will select this option and move on to the next step. Now in the order, we can choose which you want to sort the dates, oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Let's click on newest to oldest and confirm with OK. As you can see, all the dates have now been sorted, starting with the newest one, just as we wanted. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.